am Gustavo Garnica at restaurant Cosme, and this is our sweet potato tamale. So like I mentioned before, sweet potato is a very common thing that we have in Mexico. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for dinner. We always try to have a tamale in the dish. This is a very thing representative of our cuisine. And right now we're starting to see the sweet potatoes pop in the market. So that's kind of like, that's where it came from. This is our sweet potatoes that we roasted, just with a little olive oil and salt. We use the flesh to make our tamales. We also use it to make the sauce, which is based with a little bit of guajillo pepper and the roasted sweet potato. For the tamal, we use corn masa that we cut the sweet potato, we fold it in, it has some epazote in it. Then we cover the tamal with the sweet potato and chile guajillo sauce. It has a little bit of cream, and we have put it on this side. To add a little bit of freshness, we have purslane. We're gonna dress it with a little bit of lime juice, a little salt, and a little bit of togarashi spice. And then we're gonna use some sweet potato chips to add a little bit of crunch. The idea to have the chips is because the tamale is something that's soft. We want to have some crunch, some fresh element also, so it doesn't feel like a too heavy dish. That's where we added also the purslane salad. And that's it. This is our sweet potato tamale.